Hi everyone, how is going? In the last video I have discussed about Squarespace purchase conversion tracking for Google Ads, and today I am going to discuss GA4 purchase conversion tracking with Squarespace. So let's get started. To track the conversion we need four things. At first we need a Squarespace website, then we need Google Tag Manager, then we need Google Analytics account, then finally we need a data layer code to track the purchase. So I already have everything. Let me start. This is the Squarespace website that I gonna use, and this is the Tag Manager, and this is the Analytics. Okay. And finally I need a data layer code that I already have, and if I go to the pages, under the pages, then custom code, then code injector, I will find the data layer. So here is the data layer, and I already have the tag manager on the header, so I already have everything set up. Now we can just set the tag, trigger and variable on the tag manager, then we can complete it. Okay, I am on the tag manager and I see some tags here, the Google Ads tags here. Then I can check the trigger, then variable. I should have the variable to check the currency, email and everything here. So now I can just set up the GA4 tag and I can complete the full tracking very quickly. So I have to set up two tags. At first I need a configuration tag, then I need a purchase tag. So let me preview to do something. To do something means that let me test the data layer, then we can set up the tag. So we have to log out from the Squarespace, then we can test. So let me log out, then let me go back to the website again. Oh, I can preview again. So preview. Okay, this is the website URL. Okay, now it's okay. Now I can test the data layer. So we have to purchase a product. So let me do this product. Okay, then checkout, then just put information. I have a discount code to test, that is test. Okay, now I have to fill up the name and everything information. So yeah, continue again, purchase, and let me check the data layer now. Okay, I got the purchase data layer, so it's working. And let me check the data. So under the purchase I have the e-commerce, the transaction ID, value, currency, items is nil, but no problem. We have the order subtotal, everything here. It means that the data layer is work. So we can just create the GA4 tag now and we can make it working. So let me do it. At first we need a configuration tag, so let me do it here, Google tag. So I have a variable for the measurement ID. Let me do it, GA4 MID, and actually this is the GA4 config. So config, then I have to send a parameter here called send page view true. The value will be true, then it will trigger on installation all page. It's okay, then save. Now we have to send the purchase event. So let me create the purchase, GA4 purchase. Yeah, then it will be the event tag, event measurement ID, we have the variable, so it will be purchase. Then trigger will be purchase, we have it. Then if you want, we can just enable it, or we can set the parameter manually, but I don't want to send the parameter manually. Let me just enable it. Send e-commerce data from the data layer. So save it. Okay, now preview. Okay, and this is the GA4 account. I can test it from the debug view, and in here we have a debug view, then we also have a preview here. So right now we are testing the setup. So let me purchase the product again. This time I'm gonna test this one, then this one, add to cart, then view cart, checkout. Okay, let me use the coupon test, and this is the email, continue. Okay, information here. Okay, just continue, and finally let me purchase. Okay, purchase is working, and I see the data layer here, and the GA4 purchase tag fired. And if I see, the two tags should fire, GA4 config and GA4 purchase. In here I should get the value on the debug view. Okay, nice, I am getting the purchase, and on the purchase I should have all the information like the currency. Yeah, I have the currency, then the transaction ID, the value, everything here. I am also getting the page location, page title, then session ID, everything here. Under the user properties, no needed, just we need the value, transaction ID and currency, and some extra data here, for example the page location, everything here. So it means that the GA4 purchase tracking is working for Squarespace website, and the data code is also working. Everything is working very perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you need help for setup or want to make sure tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description, along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send a message on WhatsApp. Let's get your tracking fixed right away.